Hey everyone and welcome. Today, we're doing something big. We are building a complete website from the ground up. From a totally blank page to a fully launched WordPress site. And we're going to do it all using the super powerful and honestly incredibly easy to use tools from Hostinger. Now, let's be real for a second. If you're new to this, the whole idea of building a website probably sounds super intimidating, right? You hear all these technical terms flying around, coding, servers, plugins, and it's easy to think, nope, that's not for me.
But I am here to tell you, I promise, it is so much easier than you think. We're going to do this together. We'll follow a really clear, simple roadmap that takes us from absolutely zero to a live, professional-looking website.
So, here's the game plan. We'll start with the bare bones basics, then pick the perfect hosting. After that, we dive into the fun stuff, the design. Then we'll add our content and some really cool features. And finally, we'll give it that last little polish and push it live for the world to see.
Okay, let's dive right in. Step 1 is all about laying the foundation. This is where we get our hosting all set up and install WordPress, which is basically the engine that's going to run our entire website.
Hostinger just makes this part an absolute breeze with their control panel. You literally just log in, click Add Website, pick WordPress, and follow a couple of super quick guided steps. It even creates a secure password for you so you can get rolling immediately.
All right, so WordPress is installed. Now let's talk about the hosting plan itself. This is really about picking the right set of tools for what you want to build. Because, not all websites have the same needs, and your plan should totally match your ambition.
And this is where it gets really interesting. For most people just starting out, that premium plan is a perfect fit. But if you're planning to grow your site, or if you want access to Hostinger's incredible AI website builder, which is a total game changer, the business plan offers just insane value for the price. And for the really big projects, Cloud Startup gives you all the power you'll ever need.
With all the technical setup out of the way, we finally get to the really fun part, figuring out how our website is actually going to look and feel. And with Hostinger, you get 3 really different ways to do this.
So here are the 2 main doors you can walk through. You can use the AI builder, where you just describe the site you're dreaming of, and it literally generates a unique design for you in seconds. Or you can go the more classic route and pick from thousands of pre-built templates, which gives you a beautiful foundation to start customizing.
And if you do choose that AI path, it really is this simple. You give it a name, pick a category, and then this is the most important part, describe exactly what you want in as much detail as you can. The more you tell the AI, the better your website's going to be. It's truly the fastest way to get a unique site that's ready to go. Now, for anyone who'd rather pick their own theme, here's a little pro tip for you. Start with a theme called Astra. It's one of the most popular themes in the world for a reason. It's free, it's super flexible, and it's just a fantastic, reliable starting point for pretty much any kind of project.
Okay, so our website has a skeleton. It has a design. Now it's time to give it a personality. We're going to breathe some life into it by adding our own content and then extending what it can do with some essential tools.
First off, let's just clear up what a plugin is. The absolute easiest way to think about them is like apps for your phone, but for your website. Need a contact form, an online store, better security? Yep, there's a plugin for that. They let you add powerful new features with just a couple of clicks.
And while there are literally thousands of plugins out there, every single new website should start with these 2. Seriously, Yoast SEO helps you get found on Google, which is obviously crucial, and Google Sitekit connects your site to analytics so you can actually see who's visiting. Do not skip these 2.
Next up, content. In the world of WordPress, there are 2 main types. You've got pages, which are for your static, set it and forget it content, like your About Us or contact page. And then you have posts, which are for your more dynamic, timely stuff like blog articles or news updates. And getting that content out there is so simple. From your WordPress dashboard, you just go to Add New Post, give it a title, write your stuff, add a nice featured image to grab people's attention, and click Publish. That's it. It's a super straightforward way to get your voice out there.
We are on the home stretch. We're so close. But before we unveil our masterpiece to the world, we need to do a final check and make sure it's running fast. A fast website is a successful website, period.
Your first stop for a major speed boost is right inside your Hostinger dashboard. You're going to look for the cache level settings and crank that up. Think of caching like this. It creates a snapshot of your site, so instead of building it from scratch for every visitor, it can deliver it almost instantly. It's like putting your website in the express lane.
Now, one of the big reasons Hostinger is so blazing fast is because they run on Lightspeed servers, and they give you a free plugin to take full advantage of that power.
You can use it to automatically shrink your images for free and tweak all sorts of other settings for even more speed. Just be sure to check your site after you change any of those settings to make sure everything still looks good.
And after those final tweaks, your site is fast, it's full of your amazing content, and it looks great. There is just one thing left to do.
That's right. It is time to flip the switch to make your website visible to the entire world.
And you might laugh at how simple this final, dramatic step actually is. All you have to do is go back to your dashboard and turn off the Coming Soon page that Hostinger puts up for you automatically. One click. That's it. Your site is officially live.
So let's just pause for a second and appreciate what just happened. The crucial point here is that you've just gone from a completely blank slate to a fully featured, optimized, live website. You now have a professional home on the internet, and you did the whole thing without writing one single line of code.
You've built the platform. The foundation is there, the tools are in your hands, and the world is waiting. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create with it?